Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this glitter cut crease, and it's very similar to the one I did on my client, but I did add a few things, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look. Okay guys, so first I'm going to take my Morphe eyelid primer, and I'm going to put this on my eyelid, of course, and then I'm going to take my concealer and go on top of that. So for my actual base, I'm going to take my Other Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I'm going to use this dark brown out of the 39A palette first. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this orange from the James Charles palette instead because it's brighter. So I'm going to be using the yellow from this palette too and blend the orange out. So I'm going to really pack this color on and then go back to the orange. So I added some of my brown, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. So now you can take pretty much any gold eyeshadow you have and put it on your eyelid, but I'm going to be taking the gold from the Princess Azteca palette. So either you can leave it like this, or you can be like me and add some glitter. I used the NYX, what is this one called? It's just gold, okay. I used the NYX glitter in gold, and also my NYX glitter primer. So this part is just something I do to add more definition to my cut creases, but I'm going to take any matte black eyeshadow on an angled brush and trace out my crease. Now I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Halo, and I'm just going to outline my eyeliner. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna put on mascara and my lashes, and I'll be back. Something looks off about my forehead. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just me. But yeah, I'm gonna do my eyelashes and stuff, and I'll be back. I'm gonna add some eyeliner to my waterline. Underneath that, I'm gonna take this orange shade that we used earlier and smoke that out. And I'm gonna take this color right here and put that in the inner corner of my eye and underneath my eyebrow. Still look off of my forehead, y'all. Like, I don't know, I feel like it looks too dark, and then I feel like it looks too light. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys love this look just as much as I do. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.